In this lesson, we will learn how to solve system of equation using elimination method. We will solve these 4 examples. We will go from basics to higher level. So moving to our first problem, which is 3x plus y equal 13 and x minus y equal 3. To solve the system of equation by elimination method, we will add or subtract the equation together to eliminate one variable with opposite coefficient. In this example, the y variable has opposite coefficient. In the first equation, the coefficient of y is positive 1, and in the second equation, the coefficient of y is negative 1. So let's add these equation. So if we add 3x and x, it will give us 4x, and here y and y will cancel out. So equals 13 plus 3. So 4x equals 13 plus 3 will gives us 16. So let's divide both sides of the equation by 4. So here 4 and 4 will cancel out. So x equals 16 over 4 gives us 4. So the value of x is 4. Now for finding the value of y, let's plug this value, which is x equal 4, into the original equation. So let's put x equal 4 in the first equation. So we have 3x means 4 plus y equals 13. So 3 times 4 gives us 12 plus y equal 13. So I'm going to take this 12 to the right side of the equation to isolate this y. So y equal 13 negative 12. So y equal 13 minus 12 gives us 1. So we have both values, which is x equal 4 and y equal 1. To verify that our answer or our solution is correct or not, plug these values into the original equation. So let's plug these values into the original equation. We have our original first equation is 3x plus y equal 13. So 3x means 4 plus y means 1 equal 13. So 4 times 3 gives us 12 plus 1 equals 13. So 12 plus 1 is 13 equals 13. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It shows that our solution is correct. Now moving to the next problem. In the previous example, the coefficient of y variable in two equations were opposite and immediately cancel out when we added. But what if you don't see a variable that can be eliminated right away when you added the equation? In this example, adding both equations will not eliminate either x or y. So what can we do in such a situation? We can multiply the first equation by a constant to the coefficient of either variable opposite. But before that, we need to decide which variable to eliminate either x or y. Let's eliminate y. So to eliminate y, we have to do same and opposite coefficient of y. So we have 3 here. So we need also 3 here. So to make this, I'm gonna multiply this whole equation by 3. So I'm gonna rewrite both of these equation, which is 2x plus 3y equals 3. So now I'm gonna multiply this. So 3 times x gives us 3x, negative 3 times y gives us 3y, equals 3 times 1 gives us 3. So let's add these equation. So if we add this equation, 2x plus 3x gives us 5x, and 3x and negative 3x will cancel out, equals 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So x equal 6 over 5. So this is our answer. Our solution, x equals 6 over 5. Now to find the value of y, let's plug these value into the original equation. So we have our original equation, which is 2x plus 3y equals 3. So 2, let's plug this value in the place of x. So 2 times x means 6 over 5 plus 3y equals 3. So if you multiply it both, it will give us 12 over 5 plus 3y equals 3. So I'm gonna take this fraction into the right side of the equation. So 3y equals 3 negative 12 over 5. So 3y equals, I'm gonna put 1 in the denominator of this fraction. So let's subtract this fraction. So I'm gonna multiply this 1 to 5, which will give us 5. This 5 to 6, which will give us 15, minus this 12 to 1, which will give us 12. So 3y equals 15 minus 12 give us 3 over 5. So to undo this 3, for finding the value of y, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So this 3 will cancel out. So y equals 1 over 5. So we have our solution, 1y equal 1 over 5 and x equal 6 over 5. So to verify that our solution are correct or not, we have to plug these value into the original equation or the second equation. These equation are original equation. So I'm gonna put these values in the second equation. So we have second equation, which is x minus y equal 1. So put x, the value of x is 6 over 5 minus the value of y is 1 over 5 equals 1. So we have same denominator, so we can take it like this, 5 and 6 minus 1 equals 1. So 6 minus 1 gives us 5 over 5 equal 1. So here 5 and 5 will cancel out. It will give us 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So here is left hand side is equals to right hand side. It shows that our solution, which is y equal 1 over 5 and x equals 6 over 5, are correct. So moving to our third problem, we have 3x negative 2y equals negative 2 and 5x negative 6y equals 10. So we want to eliminate one variable with opposite coefficient. So if we wanna eliminate the y variable, we have to convert this 2 into 6. To do this, we have to multiply this 2 by 3. And if we want to opposite signature of both of these terms, so we have to multiply this by negative 3, so it will become positive 6. So if we want to do this, we have to multiply the whole equation by negative 3. So negative 3 and 3x gives us negative 9x plus 3 times 2 gives us 6y equals 6. Here is 5x negative 6y equals 10. Now we have opposite y variables, so let's add these equations. So 9x and 5x, if you subtract, it will give us negative 4x, and this 6 and this 6 will cancel out, equals 6 and 10 will give us 16. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by negative 4. So we can undo this 4. So here negative 4 and negative 4 will cancel out. So x equals 16 over negative 4 gives us negative 4. So we have negative 4 here. To find the value of y, let's plug this value into the original equation. So we have our original equation, which is 3x negative 2y equals negative 2. So 3 times x means negative 4 minus 2y equals negative 2. So 3 times 12 gives us 3 times 4 gives us negative 12 minus 2y equals negative 2. So I'm going to take this 12 to the right side of the equation. So we have negative 2y equals negative 2 plus 12. So negative 2y equals negative 2 and positive 12 gives us 10. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation with negative 2. So this negative 2 and this negative 2 will cancel out. So y equals 10 over 5 gives us 10 over 2 gives us 5. So negative 5 is our answer. To verify that our answer is correct or not, let's plug these value into any original equation. So we have y equals negative 5 and x equals negative 4. So let's plug these value into the original equation. So let's put it into the first equation. So 3x means 3 times 4, negative 2y means negative 5 equals negative 2. So if we multiply 3 times 4, it will give us negative 12, and negative 2 and negative 5 gives us positive 10 equals negative 2. So negative 12 and negative 12 and positive 10 gives us negative 2 equals negative 2. So this shows that our answer is correct, which is y equals negative 5 and x equals negative 4. So moving to our next problem, which is x over 2 plus y over 3 equals 4. So we have same variable of x here, but the signature is not opposite. So I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative 1 so that it can change into negative. So I'm going to rewrite the first equation, which is x over 2 plus 3y over 3 equals 4. So if we multiply these equations, it will give us negative x over 2 plus y over 6 equals negative 1. Now we have opposite variable of x here. So let's add these equation. So if you add these equation, it will cancel out because of opposite sign. So we have y over 3 plus y over 6 equals 4 minus 1. So convert this denominator into 6. I'm going to multiply this fraction by 2. So I'm going to multiply the by 2 into the denominators and the numerators. So we have 2y plus 2. So we have 2y over 6 plus y over 6 equals 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So 6 and 6, so 6, this is 2y plus y equals 3. So 2y and y gives us 3y. over 6 equals 3. So I'm gonna multiply both sides of the equation by 6 to undo this 6. So this 6 and 6 will cancel out. So 3y equals 3 times 6 is 18. I'm gonna divide both sides of the equation by 3 to undo this 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel out. So y equal 18 over 3 gives us 6. So we have y equals 6. This is our solution. Now for finding the value of y, we have to put this y equals 6 into the first equation. So we have our first equation, which is x over 2 plus y over 3 means 6 over 3 equals 4. So x over 2 plus 6 over 3 gives us 2 equals 4. So I'm gonna take this 2 to the right side of the equation. So x over 2 equals 4 and negative 2. So x over 2 equal 4 and negative 2 will give us 2. So I'm gonna multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to eliminate this 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So x equals 4. So this is our solution. We can also verify that our solution is correct or not. To verify our solution, we have to plug these value into the original equation. We have two equation original, which is 1 and second. So this is your task for homework to verify that our solutions are correct or not. So thank you for watching the video. See you in a next lesson. Bye bye.